How to use microphone on Roblox PS4. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll address your queries regarding how to use a microphone on Roblox on the PlayStation 4 and whether it is feasible. As you may know that the voice chat functionality was introduced on Roblox for PC and mobile platforms, offering various interactive experiences where you can communicate using your microphone. While this feature is the key focus of these interactions, many wonder if it's achievable on PlayStation 4 or even Xbox consoles. Unlike PC and mobile versions, Roblox on consoles like PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 5 lacks text chat options. So can you use voice chat instead? Despite having a microphone connected to your PlayStation 4 and exploring the audio settings, you will find that the microphone within any Roblox experience on the console is currently not supported. Are there workarounds for this limitation? Unfortunately, the developers of the Roblox for the consoles have opted against incorporating text or the voice chat features, making it impossible to utilize your microphone within the Roblox on the PlayStation 4. One alternative could be using external platforms like Discord for the voice communication. This video aims to clarify that using your microphone within the Roblox on the PlayStation 4 is unattainable, directing users to consider other means for the communication. Remember, microphone usage is restricted to the PC users with a verified phone number linked to their account. So if this video has addressed your queries, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.